Welcome to Service Plus. Replacing wear blades is a key maintenance item to extend the life of the mix auger. If not replaced correctly, the auger flight can become too worn down and the entire auger has to be replaced. With a new auger, the wear blades match the top of the flighting. As the auger is used, the wear blades and flighting will wear down evenly. The wear blades need to be changed when there is still a 1/4 inch of flighting above the wear blade bolt hole. This ensures there is enough flighting for the wear blade to be mounted to. When changing the wear blades, Cementech offers wear blade kits that have all the wear blades and hardware needed for the auger. The new blades need to have the washers that are sent with the kit put between them and the flighting to ensure the blades do not crack, as the molding of the wear blades does not usually match the flighting. The bolts need to be tightened down so they are snug. Over-tightening can break the blade prematurely. Continue changing out the wear blades until all are changed, and then the unit can be put back into service. If you have any further questions, be sure to contact Cementech at 1-800-247-2464, Cementech Connect, or via email at service@cementech.com.